Then guys, before I'm going back home, I give food my cat cute. Every minute they are hungry. They are finished the fries. Now they want cat food again. 1 kilo, only 1 day. Ano? Tinawag ko ba kayo? Ha? Tinawag ko ba kayo? Na? Tinawag ko ba kayo? Ang dami-dami nyo. Ha? Mami. Wala kayo narinig ha? Wala kayo narinig ha? Ha? Oh, sus, mami naman nakatingin ko sa akin dito. Here. Oh, wait a minute ha. Careful, 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 careful. My hand, my hand, my hand. Si scatter naman. Ano naman? They are hungry guys. Be careful, calm down, calm down. Calm down, my hands, not fried chicken. Come on, yourself. Scatter. Mami. Si Mami naman, si Mami. Have no plate guys, that's why. I'm going back home now guys. Ay, gusto pa? Tomorrow, no more na. Para away market. They are hungry guys. Cat and dog hungry. That's for tomorrow, for tomorrow, for tomorrow. No more na, no more na. No more na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5. Shush, Joseph. Sabihin mo, give me food, said friends. Mami Vilma have no budget. Ano, nakatingin ko po sa akin dito. Ikaw, Mami, ano gusto mo dito? Gusto mo pong cat food dito? Ano, kayo? Full belly na ha? Full belly na ha? Not full belly guys. Only that two more. Go, scatter. Scatter, get down. Get down. Scatter. Scatter, get down. Sus, di na nakatiis. Sige, ubusin mo. Talagang wala namang patawad si Scatter, oh. Nakakaya kay Scatter, ha? Oh, wala na silang kinain. Ikaw na, masaya. Going back home now, going back home now. Going back home now there. Hurry up. Going to sleep. What time now? 11 p.m. Get down now, Scatter.